Pininali tumhan la so video long na ke than pon zila bangke West Karbi Anglong pen kapik lang pon awreng wasai aputhak sinang than pechini pon ekpo kona na pu sa vacancies ikdoma ka apply nang ji ko son man last date kumantu man la so details sinani tum la so video long tek pon long ekpo la pen nali tumhan berita kime jong sinali tum employment exchange la pen caste certificate la pen employment exchange re-registration mate renewal nali tum jong si dan nangji pulote nili fan homri kon nili nali tum fan nang claim pipo ador ki jumpe la si nali tum jong si caste certificate la pen employment exchange renewal vacancy pulote whatsapp lo na homri ikon la pen la so youtube channel tame nali tum subscribe krilang pulote subscribe ikon la pen latest update kilong wes japan belardan thekloi khoda tame nali tum berpon ikdenon tame non pathiek pen Kopi awring warsai ma kon ana pu sa vacancies do mala so details let lang polonang lapen chithan polonang tang non pathek pen chithan polonang district legal service authority West Karbi Anglong judicial court sahin pen kapik lang pon awring warsai aputhak le lapen nili long do advertisement alo lapen nili dak la so advertisement along ke tok pon pen andus tamen nili nali tumar important bangs nang than pachini pon ik chatpo nali tum da screen along thek pon long exi government awasam district legal service authority West Karbi Anglong judicial court office compound sayali hamran pin 782486 West Karbi Anglong Assam the email nali tum thek pon long po lapen contact details tamen nali tum thek pon long exi lapen pathiek penon chithan pononang kopia wareng warsema kon ana post vacancies se doma la sopothak lang pononang nali tum la thek ponlong exi screen along the advertisement number da kepi pondo lapen la so advertisement publish pon 9 July 2024 arni se da publish pono lapen la da ke to teng la bang ke la so lo sten ning kehang bang fu bang fi tum jong si jogdon exi nali tum asam geze part 9 mat standard form popula so standard form along nali tum fill up nang po lapen service claim ko tum stame la sovereign website bang jogdon long pusida ke tokpon experience employees of any department jada department long ke claim abang fu mate abang fitum ta chaw lapen pay scale la bang ke nani tum on thek pon long ekpo lapen name of post la bang ke nani tum screen long thek pon long exit serial number 2 name of post UDA mate upper division assistant post lo lapen vacancies la bang ke inu da performance dak pi ponchor lapen category la bang ke unreserved la pen pay scale la litum la screen along thek polong ji ko an ansina litum kilong jima kelong lema 14 pen cheng lak 70000 ana litum long ponik po la pen post creation letter na litum dak thek polong po LGL la pen 141 2018 75 date is 19 August 2019 na litum thek polong exil la pen eligibility ahin bala son la for the post of UD assistance, the candidate must have service not less than 5 years of continuous service. Mate jong se service ke claim at tang atum double 5 years pena ki ong ke claim mate ning kan pho pena ki ong ke claim kle tum nang po mate ning kan pho pleng ple tum si jogdun long ek po la pen puthot ka applying ji a process tame dak topon lo how to apply na litum dak thek pon long exi Applying la bangla solo intending candidates shall submit their application in a drop box. The office of the district says and season judges come chairman district legal service authority West Karbi Anglong district judicial court complex Samret 782486 la sodim sin nalitum jogdam ignangpo laben puthoda number 2 long ke topondo da submitted application must be accompanied nalitum da copy pc ki pidunang zima 3 recent color photo nangpo la pen each certificate shall attested copies of all testimonials in support their education qualification experience lapen caste certificate I use taminang tum nang pola normal candidate tumlo lapen puthot dak in service candidate atum la so alang litum bangke nali tum dak technology experience certificate nang po issued by the respective concert lapen head of office lapen copy of service book nang ikpo lapen copies of SCR of last 5 years nang po lapen preceding and email ID lapen contact number of the applicant alang litum dak pidu nangpo lapen the candidate must write application for the post of UDA in DLSA nalitum dak thek ponong West Karbi Anglong hamren of the top of the envelope accompanying the application lapen nalitum togdu nangpo envelope athak ki togdu nang ji process bangkela son la application for the post of UDA in DL SA West Karbi Anglong 100 nasas nalitum togdon example apen dak selection producer nalitum tek ponlong exi dak oral apen writing test the endpoint poll apen no individual call letter will be issued to any candidate. The candidates have appeared in the oral and writing test their own experience, and no TA and DA shall be assembled in the respective lapen. Now item that tech long exit last that receive ponzi so application ka receive ponzi lapan 4:30 p.m. of 29 July 2024 and the last date lo lapan. Now item list of sorted out candidates and date of oral and written test will be uploaded in the official website https://district.ecourse.gov.in Karbi Anglong so website long download put nani to moda tek ponlong ekpo date of oral lapen written test upon lapen so list of sorted out candidates at list nani to moda pen download long ekpo lapen dak tok pon banga lancho lo lapen nani tum jong sining hang pulen la so wareng warsa claim don sining hang pulen nani tum prabjin pen apply don egon joy jog tu nikon lapan standard form la bang nani tum long ke donang ji kirang sort la so standard form nani tum jong silong dik table te nili fana humri kon nilista menani tum fon WhatsApp group telegram channel ang stame nili send pon ek pola sipini awar WhatsApp thak le la online pon pon ik na domi thak me ka du ka vi Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kelang ra to ana fans tame nili hen pen KARDOM.